This is F1P.
What's that airplane called?
Astrostar.
Okay. What kind of engine's that?
Fox.
That's a Russian VA Mark I. This came from Mr. Steve Fauble out in Texas, who's a retired control line combat flyer. And it's running one of the green combat propellers. We have a suction venturi on it, BMK RDT. And Paul, who built this airplane?
Me
Did you build that airplane?
and Daddy.
Daddy helped a little bit.
Daddy did help.
covered it. Daddy did the engine and electronics install and all that.
But he built it, the plane.
Yep, Paul built it, and so he's gonna fly it tonight. It's pretty much trimmed out, but we're gonna show it off for the camera.
In here?
Mm-hmm. Squeeze it all the way on there. All right. Nope. Squeeze this end all the way on it.
So kind of explain what he's doing.
So he's just fueling the tank here. Now don't put all of that in there. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
So this is just...
Now stop a second. Now we're going to prime the engine. So I'm going to stick my thumb over the vent. Now carefully squeeze a little bit more. Just do it very, very slowly. Stop. 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 Yep. All right. We're going to flood the engine doing that now. So what we're going to do is we're going to suck a little bit out of the venturi there. And hopefully we haven't flooded it too badly. It should be okay.
Alright.
We'll flip that through a few times. We already have the timer set for about 3.5 seconds, which should be good. As long as somebody remembers to start the timer.
Alright.
Alright.
And that is one reason why we do put the RDTs on gas models, is because that way, if you do have somebody that forgets to set the timer,
Yep.
you can...
Assuming you don't fold the wing spars or rip the wing off the plane doing it.
Yeah,
All right,
you
well,
can...
Go ahead and get in position over here, and then I'll help
You can easily DT it,
Other side.
even though
Other side.
the engine's running.
This is my left-handed child. Yep, there you
Yeah, so we have... He's left-handed, and
go. All right,
then
put your hand up here.
Paul is our
I'm gonna
righty,
hook this
or
up
Caleb
for
is
you.
our righty.
I don't know
Yep.
how long.
Oh, you've done this many times. Here you go.
Now I'm gonna pull
Yeah,
it
and
like that.
Yes, you are. But go ahead. Yeah. Are you wanting a pre-flight briefing or something?
What?
Are you going to do a pre-flight briefing for them?
We already did one inside here, so we're good. Get your thumb. No. Get your thumb up on there so you got a good grip on it. Okay. Your start pedal's there, so you're good. Don't worry about those. Yep. You're good. You're good. All right, push it in. Good. Yep. All right, try it again. I think it's just a slight bit flooded. Press it in a little harder. Press it in harder. Push. Push on that. Push it. Push. Nice.
Wow.
Look at that glide.
Wow.
Okay. Paul, can you set the timer? Can you reset the timer here for me? All right. So no. First, you want to turn the timer off, or it's just going to run. Yep. There you go. All right. Set it for about 5 seconds. Yep. There you go. All right. Now, take this and squirt. No, take this little eyedropper. Squirt me just a little drop down here in there. Not all. So what you do is you squeeze tip it over. You haven't used one of these before. Now squeeze just a little bit of fuel down in there. Keep going. That's good. All right. Now what that's going to do is that gets it primed, because these engines want a little bit of fuel in there. All right. Yep. Get around behind it. Okay.
Okie
Hang on. All right, there you go. Yep. Get this hand on top. There you go. All right. Remember, push it in hard. Nice.
Wow.
Look at that go. All right. And we'll DT it about there. Plop. All right, go get it. Yep, there you go. All right, DT is set. Okay. Can you go ahead and what? I did. No, I'm sorry, I didn't. This is getting popped out, and we don't want that flopping around too much. All right, go ahead and set your timer.
Okay. Time to do that. 5 seconds.
Actually, go a little longer. That's good. No, not that long. That's pushing past 7. All right, I will hold this. Prime your engine. Just give it a little squirt in there. Keep going. Yep, go. A little more. That's good. That's good. Okay. Go set that back in your box.
What's this?
Yeah. Put that back. We'll deal with that later.
Yeah.
That's a spare that I tore up.
Oh.
All right. You hook your own glow clip up this time, mister.
Where's my headset?
Ha! Protect your hearing. I don't know how well... Hey, get those ears on all the way, mister. I don't know how well it shows up on video, but this thing is actually quite loud. Painfully at times. You gotta clip it open like a... There you go. Now let's rotate it around like this. All right.
This is my airplane.
It sure is, and you knocked your glow clip off your airplane. All right. Now move this hand. There. Nope. Okay, this thing's been working great all evening, and now it's being ornery. Okay, go. Push hard.
Wow. Great. I didn't like that. Look, sliding. Whoop. There, look.
Please don't go in the trees.
I have had it go in the tree once.
Okay. There you go. Remember, top first. Yep, there you go. Yep. You gotta hold the wires. Watch out, wrapped around your timer. There you go. There you go. You're good. All right, try it again. Wait a second. All right, now you can do it. Just press and hold. Okay. Nice shot. That was pretty. All right, go get it. Do it again. Why so serious?
What?
Just giving you a hard time.
So next up, I put it in the engine, and then I step on the pedal.
All right, you can DT it anytime you want.
And next,
DT it.
you DT it.
DT it.
I did.
No, you didn't. There you go.
And
pray it doesn't land in that tree. Oh, yay, right in the top of it. One child, right there. One airplane. And this is Georgia. These are my feet. And that is poison oak. And I am not allergic to poison oak, or poison ivy, or poison sumac. He is. Oops. So you can see we're making contact there. Nope. Off camera naturally. Oh, this is fun. All right, I cannot continue on camera. Oops.
this is F1P, and actually, I love you guys. Thank you for sending this, and just bye.
All right, guys. Just to kind of close things out a little bit. So F1P is the junior world championship class for power models. Power being piston-engined airplanes, and this is specifically for free flight power. So they are restricted. They have to have a minimum of the metric equivalent of about 400 square inch wing area, 250 gram minimum weight. They're limited to no more than a 1cc engine. That's an 061. This is an 049, and we chose that just because it's a little easier for Paul to operate. Caleb has one, and Caleb's has a very hot 061 on it. But he's bigger and stronger and able to manage that extra power a little better. We're running an old Taytone timer on it just because those work really well for engine cut. And this is an airplane that I laser cut here on site. So this is the Astrostar 404P by Terry Thorkildsen. This is probably the most popular airplane in the US for F1P, particularly for young people. So the young man that's on the US free flight team this year for F1P, he's flying the forward fin version of this. So it looks just like this, except the fin is up in front of the stab. So you're allowed a 7-second engine run for these, and you fly 3-minute maxes. You can use as much nitro as you like. So we're running, what is it? This is 35% that we're running today. It's a little old. The fuel's a little old, so it's probably closer to 25% at this point. But it's the fuel's clean, so the airplane's working. Just set it back there. It'll be fine. And these airplanes, since they're big, they're pretty easy to trim out. This one is at minimum weight at 8.9 ounces or 250 grams.
Daddy, can I plug this?
Yes, please do. Sorry, Paul's very focused on getting everything set up. He wants to go fly real flight simulator here in a minute. So anyway, yeah, these are really good airplanes for getting started in F1P. Very easy to build, very easy to fly. They're also great for with these. Don't unplug that one, Paul. I leave that one plugged in. They're great for half-A gas with good hot engines and whatnot. As you can tell, it moves right out in terms of, it's not a super slow airplane, and they thermal really well. So yeah, that's that's about it. Caleb, you have any thoughts on F1P? You fly it as well.
Okay, so last night I flew my F1P.
Yeah, you trimmed yours out last night.
So, you know those glider factories? Those are...
What's that have to do with F1P?
So I flew my F1P last night. And it landed over there in that bush. So
Where else did it land? I think it landed just about everywhere.
it landed in a tree. So if you want to fly an F1P, think of like going to
Look at the camera.
Whitesburg or at the end of Henry Currington.
There's a big field out there.
Yeah, there's
All right.
a big field.
All right, boys, sign off for us for the night.
Bye. See ya.
Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.